Hello and thanks for joining us. This video will look at a powerful medium-sized evaporative cooler that keeps you cool in offices, shops and similar premises, rapidly cooling up to 40 meters squared. Weighing just 12 kilos empty, it is a practical alternative to vented air conditioning, as the cooler is fan assisted and portable, so you can stay comfortable wherever you are. Put the cooler on a firm level surface and fill it with water. It takes up to 27 litres. Be sure you keep the cooler close to an open window or external door when in use, as a continuous supply of fresh air helps cool the room efficiently. It's also advised to open another door or window to allow warm air to escape. The more airflow, the better the performance. The size of the unit is approximately 620mm wide by 686mm tall, in case you need to measure the space before hiring. You'll need to leave at least 300mm around the product to let the air circulate efficiently. It is essential to familiarise yourself with this cooler's controls before starting. Fill the unit with clean, fresh water. The fill point will be found either on the top, rear or front of the cooler depending on the model. Observe the water level indicator and fill it until it is at the top. Plug the unit into its power supply using an RCD breaker and switch the supply on. Next, turn the 3-speed fan control to give the desired airflow. This dial also switches the unit off when set to 0. Next, set the water control to off if the fan only is required, or progressively anti-clockwise towards on to increase the cooling effect. The front grille has an airflow direction control to aim the flow in the required direction. The vertical swing control is a powered system that continuously moves the deflectors from left to right when set to on. Because the HSS evaporative coolers have a reservoir of water, which cannot be emptied safely by the user, the unit mustn't be stored for more than 2 days without being used. Store the equipment somewhere clean, dry and safe when not in use. Protect this equipment from frost and freezing conditions. If you want to learn more or view our full range of tools and equipment, visit hss.com today.